The Great Banana Bread Crisis. In a world where bananas ripen faster than you can eat them, there is only one solution stands between waste and salvation, and that is banana bread. Oh no, it's happening again. They were green 2 minutes ago, now they're basically mush. I have approximately 0.2 seconds before they turn into a fruit fly convention. What to do with overripe bananas on the internet? Make a smoothie, no blender, freeze for later? My freezer is already a frozen wasteland of forgotten vegetables. Oh, banana bread, the ancient solution to an age-old problem. Start by preparing banana bread like an intense cooking show. Mashing bananas aggressively. Measuring flour like a mad scientist precision is key, or is it? Accidentally pouring too much vanilla, but rolling with it more flavor, right? Get flour on face unintentionally for comedic effect. Now waiting for it to bake. Ding, the oven timer goes off. Now with an overjoyed reaction, open oven in slow motion opening of the oven. Imagine angelic choir sounds. Then admire your creation. It's beautiful. Now when taking a bite. Make an overly dramatic expression of joy with eyes closed and with a slow head tilt back. This is why banana bread exists. Bananas ripen fast, but banana bread, that's forever. Stir at oven impatiently, checking it every 10 seconds. Why does 50 minutes feel like 5 years? I could grow new bananas in this time. Like and subscribe if you've ever had a banana emergency.